Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cream puffs. So let's get started. First we're going to make the pastry cream so it has time to chill. In a medium saucepan, add in the sugar, cornstarch, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. Then gradually add in the whole milk while whisking. And add in the eggs. Whisk them in until they're combined. And place the saucepan onto the stove over medium heat and heat it until it just starts to bubble and steam, whisking it occasionally so it heats evenly and to prevent lumps. Once it's starting to bubble and steam, whisk it constantly until it boils and thickens. Once it's thickened, keep whisking it over the heat for another minute. Then take it off the heat and add in the butter and vanilla extract and mix them in until they're combined and the butter is melted into the mixture. Then pour it into a small bowl. Wrap it in plastic wrap. Make sure it's touching the surface of the pastry cream so it doesn't form a skin on top. And place it into the fridge for about an hour until it's cold and keep it refrigerated until you're ready to use it. Then to get started with the choux pastry, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then into a large saucepan, add in the butter, sugar, which is optional, salt, and water, and place the saucepan onto the stove over high heat and heat it until the mixture boils, stirring it occasionally. Once it's boiling, turn the heat down to low and add in the flour. Mix it in until it's combined and mix it constantly for another 30 seconds until it comes together and pulls away from the sides of the pan. Then remove it from the heat. Let it sit for a few minutes to let it cool slightly. Then add in the eggs one at a time, mixing until it's really well incorporated before adding the next one. It does take quite a bit of elbow grease. Then add the choux pastry into a piping bag fitted with a large round tip, or you can use a Ziploc bag and cut off the corner. Line a sheets pan with parchment paper. Pipe mounds of the dough onto the pan, spacing them out at least an inch to give them room to spread. Then wet your finger and press down the peak on top so it doesn't burn. Then bake it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until they're puffed and golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. Once they're completely cooled, use a chopstick or skewer to poke a small hole into them. And pipe in the pastry cream, squeezing until you see the cream puff just start to expand. Then if you like, you can also dust them with powdered sugar. And that's how to make cream puffs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.